Something we've talked lots about is our inventory and the fact that we have 1,500 slabs for customers to look at, choose from. Part of what really helps sets us apart from our competition is the technology that we employ. You know, so a customer will come in and pick out their slabs, but it doesn't end there. One of the things we do is we template with a laser templater to create the measurements and drawings for their countertops. Once that's done, if they've picked a slab that has lots of stuff going on, we take a slab photo of the number of slabs. Like if it's a 3 slab jobs, we'll take 3 slab photos. From there, it goes into the programming office and they're able to basically take the slab photo and then take the templates that were created with the laser template, put it on the slab, and we're able to show you exactly what your kitchen's going to look like before we cut it. Things like seams, we're able to vein match really well with it. We can zoom right in and drag and drop and make sure that, you know, if you've got a vein through a seam, that it lines up perfectly and you don't have a vein going into a white spot because that would look ridiculous. From the programming office, it goes to our 2 CNCs. One of them is our SaberJet, which is a saw and a waterjet built into one. It's kind of a 2-in-1. So it'll use the blade for all the straight cuts and it'll use the waterjet to do all the curves, arcs, radiuses, that sort of thing. From there, from the SaberJet, it's then put onto our Titan, which does all of our polishing. Some pieces need to be touched up and we have very skilled fabricators that'll touch up all the pieces, but from there, it's straight into their house. And they get exactly what they saw during that slab photo layout.